Hey, I'm Newbie. I know you're here to watch my birth video, and I'm going to tell you all the juicy details about how I went from this to this. I pretty much delivered my babies myself like a pro. On the morning that I decided to give birth, my owner was asleep. She didn't even know. And then, next thing you know, I just had puppies falling out of me. Stay tuned, keep watching, so you can know what happened during my birth and delivery. Hey, Brad. Hey, Booty. As you can see, the day started off pretty normal. We were all in the dining room, playing with our food puzzle, trying to sniff out the treats. And it just felt like a normal day. The only thing that's different is I had this little skirt on. Then all of a sudden, Fresh and I got stuck. I don't know what was going on here. Fresh, you in heaven. Look at all that drool Fresh made. This is Fresh drool. Y'all see that puddle of drool? Fresh seemed to be having fun, but me on the other hand, I was so confused about what was going on. This boy is drooling. Oh my God, y'all are done. I was glad that was over, but that same exact thing happened about 2 more times after this time. I'm still confused. I still don't understand what's going on there. You relax, ain't you? I never seen Fresh look this happy before. He was super, super happy. I was pretty happy too. Happy that it was over. He can't stop smiling. He can't. Just go to sleep, but you know you're tired. Go on and go to sleep. Fresh couldn't leave me alone after that. He just kept on crying. I couldn't get rid of him. Fresh, do you really think I care? You done? Big mama. Anyway, my stomach just started getting big out of nowhere. Hey, mama. It grew and grew and grew until I got this big. Then I got my own room to myself. They call this my whelping area. Early one morning, I just decided to pop a kid out. It literally just came out. I did everything myself. I ate the placenta, took the baby out the sack, and I even ate her umbilical cord. She started crying, and she's kind of sounding like a little kitten. That noise is what woke my owner up and made her feel like she had to come help me deliver the rest of my puppies. This girl's feisty already. Like her mama. That's her first girl. First girl.
Okay, here you go.
I'm nervous. I don't want to hurt her.
Newbie. Oh, Newbie, your mama. Hey, come on, Key.
What?
You're spreading this.
Something coming.
See if you can
Pull it.
Yeah.
What is that?
That's probably just a little fragment of what she had.
Oh, that must be the placenta?
Yeah.
Ew, that look nasty.
She gonna eat it.
So we pulled out the rest of the placenta, I guess. You see it, Key?
I can't really see.
Look, let me show you. This is what was in there. You see it? Can you see it?
She eating it.
She eating it. That's placenta, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's what was hanging out. So now the next one should be able to come easily, right? Right here. Oh, she coming? Another one coming? No. I'm just lifting her. I don't know. I wanted to go outside, but...
It looked like it is, because her tail.
Yeah, I think another one coming. Yeah, her tail is arched like that. Hey, Key. She in pain. She pushing this thing out.
She pushing.
Yeah, she pushing that thing out. If I could leave out the front, then I'll be able to stay like 5 more minutes. But I gotta walk around now, so. So I ain't do nothing yet. 2 girls so far. 2 girls. Alright, you said put them near her?
It's because she's not running away from it.
Yeah. One looked like they looking for the food. 2 girls.
I can't even see.
You can't see? Hold on. Let me fix everything. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I think she's about to start contracting again. Alright, y'all. Have a good one. Alright, see you.
I'll get you water when it's because you say you have a cold.
Alright. Bless you.
Trying to see what I can eat for breakfast before I go to the gym.
Yes. That one is so cute. She gonna have such wavy curly hair. She gonna have fresh fur.
Whose nose she got fresh or?
I think she got fresh nose because I see it's like it look liver, like it don't look black. Mom, I just started getting everything. You don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
You all right, Mama? Oh yeah, she need help with this one. Push, Mama. Push. 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 I'm getting more comfortable. Y'all see me helping her with this one?
Yeah, I see you. Go ahead, King. I see you. Next little, you gonna be a pro. You ain't gonna need none of us.
I know, right?
You really don't need us now, cause you doing it.
This one gonna be Merle. This one gonna look just like Newbie. This is Newbie twin right here coming out. You see the spots already?
No, I don't see it.
Hold on.
Well, wait till she come all the way out. I'll get it.
I want her to move so she can... Newbie, sit up so we can get this baby out. Oh, that was nasty. Alright, so this one is out. I'm about to break the set. I said this one is out. I'm about to break the set. This one moving around all crazy. Alright. I think this... Yeah, I got him. Okay. Let's see what this is. Is this a boy or a girl? I can't tell. Another girl. Newbie got 3 girls.
The other one boy?
Yep, another girl.
Damn, she got all girls?
She got all girls.
Oh, that one is...
You see this one?
Yeah.
It looks...
Yes.
This one looks just like Newbie.
Yeah.
She is so cute.
You gotta give us a boy,
Newbie, eat the set.
Newbie.
Eat the set.
You gotta give us a boy. Oh, she did throw a Merle, huh?
Mm-hmm. All right, should I tie this umbilical cord off?
Is she eating it?
She not eating it. She like just playing with it. Alright.
She like tired of it. She like, I done did this 1,000 times.
Look at this one.
She probably start eating at her next litter.
Yeah, I don't think she like the texture or something. Cause she trying it and then she spitting it back out.
It ain't quite sit up with her
Yeah.
yet.
Maybe they're getting a draft. Let me close, because that one's trying to get up under the bridge.
The main thing is, as time go on, you want to make sure link their butts so they can go to the bathroom.
Okay.
If she not,
This is after she have all of them, right?
you're going to have to stimulate them yourself.
This is after she have all of them. Okay. After she have all of them.
Yeah. Just like, after a couple hours go by.
Alright.
After this, when she does it, she's got the words and stuff. She should be trying to like lick their butt.
Okay.
Because that makes them go to the bathroom. If she's not doing it, then y'all gonna have to, do it every couple hours, every 2 hours.
Okay. Newbie. Newbie, I can't tell what I'm doing. Move. Alright, hold on. Newbie, let me see. I'm trying to cut her umbilical cord and you all up in my way. Move, little girl. Eat that daggone placenta if you're not going to do nothing. I'm had to take these gloves off to do this umbilical cord because I can't really do nothing with these joints on. Hold on. I know.
To make this work, I know what to do.
Yeah, that thread is too thin. I can't even do nothing with it. I can't even see how to tie it.
I didn't even think to get some dental floss.
Yeah, Will had none?
You know, I want to get the sticks. Alright, I triple this up so see if you can work with them.
Okay. This. I can't even grab the puppy to grab the cord. Like, Newbie keep on being in the way.
If she's trying to eat it, then let her eat it. But
She trying, but then she stopping. So I'm trying to just hurry up so that she can,
You know what? I'm gonna run to the store and get some dental floss.
I know it's hair thread in here because it's like she makes wigs, she does stuff. Like, I know it's stuff in here.
Let me look in her room.
Yeah.
go upstairs and look. You know, your mom right here. You think you know where her stuff is?
She about to go up there and look. I can't. I'm trying to do this whole thing with the umbilical cord. Like, if I would have knew I needed string, I would have had that down here. I got all this other weapon stuff. They ain't say nothing about needing string. I got my whole kit down here and no string. Here. Wait, Newbie.
Newbie, you need to be eating that placenta, girl.
Right. She's stressing me out. I don't even know what. Girl, you fussy. Girl, you fussy. Mom. Mom. Key, let me call you right back.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, actually, never mind. It don't even make sense for me to hang up because I got her phone. I don't even know what happened to that string I just had. I'm about to get stressed out. Messing with y'all girls. All girl litter. The all girl litter. Mom! She must have can't hear me. Hold on. Mom. Can you just give me another one of those strings you gave me before? Where is it? Alright. Crazy girl. Alright, I got something. Let's see. Oh, she already trying to find a nipple. This girl's already trying to find a nipple. Let me find out she the smartest out the bunch. Alright. Girl, stop moving. Okay. Got that tied off. Maybe you trying to eat it now? Newbie. Cord cut. Girl, you better eat this placenta. Here. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. No? Okay. This girl, and this girl. Okay, so I got that umbilical cord off the last girl. Yeah, I got it off her. 3 girls. Destiny's Child. Oh, here come another one, y'all. Hold on, let me get it on this side so y'all can really see. Alright, Key, I think another one coming. I'm about to see if she need help with this one. Oh, yep. I'm gonna let. Oh, dang! It's coming right on out. Dang. Come on, boo boo. Good girl. Good girl. Alright, let me give you a little bit more time. Do some stuff on your own. Look at you trying to keep one of the pups. Nah, I ain't keep these all going. They all going for sale. Tanisha, why so worried? Listen, that's how I be about them too. So look, that's called family, okay? That's how I be about them too. What the hell am I watching? But thanks for sharing. Anytime. Come on, girl. Let's see if we can get this one out. All right, another one.
They don't got no zombie movies out.
All right, she eating this placenta. All right, so she ate this one. All right, so she ate that one. Another girl. Newbie, all you having is girls. Fourth girl. Fourth girl. She ate this one, Key, so I don't got to do nothing, right? All right. Oh, this one is so cute. They all cute. I say that about all of them. Good God. This one is like a brownish color. It's like chocolate all over. She gonna have some pretty fur. Her fur is nice and smooth like Newbie's.
Move the camera over. I'm looking at your feet.
Oh, hold on.
Oh,
Can you see her? You see her?
yeah.
She is a cutie. Alright, so I ain't gotta do nothing with her. 4 girls. Girl. Fresh, when you gonna have a boy? 4 girls. After all that pushing, I finally had my first boy. And he has a nerve to look just like his daddy. I had my second boy right after that. Finally, 2 more boys to add to the 4 girls. Alright, I'm back on live. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 puppies out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And she looks like she's having more contractions. Nothing really happening right now. It's just a little bit of a wait. Or maybe I spoke too soon. What's she doing? Girl, get back in there with your puppies. Leave me alone. She's so clingy. Oh, shoot, another one. Whoa! Whoa! Wait, she did that. Okay. Okay. Good girl. Alright, so this is number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number 7. Good job, Noobadoo. Let me get out the way. Mind my business, because you got this. You got this, my mom. You see it? Number 7. Wonder if it's a girl or a boy. Girl or boy. Girl or a boy. So far we got 4 girls, 2 boys. We need to see if lucky number 7 is a boy or a girl. What you doing, little one? What you doing, little one? What you doing, little one? Good girl. This baby is moving a lot. Frisky. So this is lucky number 7. I can't believe we had more than 6. I thought we were just going to have 6. This is number 7. And she's doing a great job getting him out the set. Doing everything on her own. She may not need help with the umbilical cord. That's what I'm hoping for. Because I really don't like doing that part. It feels icky. So I'm hoping for that. But we'll see. Okay, she moving. I'm saying she, like I know what it is. Is it a boy or a girl? Let's see. Is she a girl or a boy? Okay, so she's starting to work on the cord now. Let's see what she doing. Let's see what you doing. Can't go too close. Ruby. No, you just looking, okay. You mind your business. Mind your business. You come over here to mind your business. Alright, let me see if you need help. Dooba dooba. I know you're a pro, but let me help you out with this. Watch out. Alright. See if the rest come out on its own. You got it or no? You need help? Yes, you. Yes, you need help. Let me. I'm a little nervous because I can't see, but let me just reposition myself. Oops. Oh shit. Not right now. Hold on, let me turn this off. I'm gonna call back later. Yeah.
BJ want to see the puppies.
Hold on real quick. I'm trying to help her get this other one out. She seemed like she could do it on her own, so I don't want to interfere too much. But I do want to help her get the placenta out. Can you see?
baby. My puppy.
Kid, hold on real quick. Let me call you back. Because I got to focus on this. She having a little bit of heart problem. Alright, yeah, let me call you right back. Alright, it's coming. Here we go. Whoosh! Eat that. That was rough. Whew. Alright, let me call her back. That was scary. That was scary. Did y'all see that? Oh my god, I was scared. Whew. Alright. Alright. I'm sweating freaking bullets. Oh my god, I'm sweating. What the phone is? Alright. Let's see this little one. It's a boy! He's your boy! He cute. Him is cute. You like your boy? You like your boy? You did good, newbie. That was good, mama. That one was a little scary, but it was good. Him cute. Number 6. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Over here trying to get some milk. And number 1. Oh, mama tired she is. Y'all are doing so good. I can't believe she had more than 6. Sis, I can't believe she had more than 6 either. She had 7 so far. And she still got more in her. I think it's at least one more. You got color-coded collars. I do. I do have the color-coded collars. I got to put them on them. I have been keeping a mental track of who's been born first, second, third, and all that. I need to write it down, too. And then I'll put the collars on, too. Has she had any water? No, but I just got it. Thank you for reminding me about that. Okay, put it up to her mouth. Okay, I'll try that. Hold on. Let's see. Let me come this way. Oops, I spilled some. Sorry, boo-boo. This ain't her real water bowl. I can't find it, but I'm gonna just improvise for now. There you go. Good girl. Okay. I was not even thinking about this part. Thank you so much, Miss Tempest. That's it? For now? For now. You can get more anytime. Oh, wait. You want more? Yeah, she want more. That's a good mama. Good girl. Okay. Let's see. One more? Okay. All right. Whew. It is hot. I gotta get some paper towel. Paper towel. Shit. Let's see what the live's saying now. A puppy coming out? Oh, shit! Oh, damn! I didn't even see that! Hold up. Let me change my gloves out. Hold up. Damn! Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. This is number 8. Newbie, you gotta get your puppy. You just sitting there. Get your puppy, girl. Come on. Number 8 just chilling out. Damn. You had that whole baby. Placenta and all. Let me help you rip the set. You a little tired. You need some help. Alright. Here. Lick it, baby. Is this one alive? Oh yeah, he moving. He alive. This alive. Eat that. Newbie, don't go too far. Newbie, don't go too far. Newbie, not too far. Okay. Newbie. Ah, shit. All right, hold up. Newbie. Oh, shit. Oh, this one got a lot of blood. Hold up. New dude. It's okay, boo-boo. Hold on. I can't tell what's going on. Hold on, let me calm down. Let me calm myself down so I could be a help. Look. I think we're okay. I honestly think we're okay. I think we're just fine because she's not bleeding anymore. And it's not coming from, and it's a girl. I think she's fine, y'all. I think she's fine. She's not bleeding anymore. We just had a hard time with the umbilical cord. I think she's fine. Here, look at baby. I actually think she's fine, y'all. That just was a bloody umbilical cord, but she didn't go too far. I thought she went too deep, but it doesn't seem like she did. It doesn't seem like she did. I think she's okay, and I didn't have to tie it off because it stopped bleeding. I gotta keep my eye on her though. We'll see. But that's a girl. She looks just like her father. That's a girl. Number 8. I can't believe I pushed out 8 babies. All in a day's work. Yep, she just left. Thanks for watching my video. We're going to chill for now. I'm going to let them eat. And we're going to be back in a little bit with another video. I'm going to give you guys a tour of my whelping area. And I'm going to show you guys how I've been caring for my puppies. Tell me what you think about my birth and delivery video in the comment section. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you later. Look at this little one. Mama Nude. She's sleeping. Y'all greedy.